Tired of dull photos? Let's dive into enhancing image quality using the Adobe Photoshop Express app. Starting with the Auto Enhance feature, this will be the first step for a quick fix. Tap on the photo you wish to edit, then tap on the Auto Enhance icon, usually represented by a magic wand. See the changes that the app creates. Next, let's manually adjust the settings. For more control, navigate to the Adjustments panel by clicking the icon that looks like sliders. You'll see a range of options, including exposure, contrast, and highlights. Increase exposure to brighten the image, but be mindful of overexposing it, which washes out details. Use the slider to find the sweet spot. Adjust the contrast to make the colors pop and the image more vibrant. This is all about finding the perfect balance. A little goes a long way with contrast. Now, let's tweak the highlights, lowering it tones down overly bright areas, bringing details back from the brink. Similarly, the shadows slider can breathe life into darker areas. Other essentials: try adjusting clarity for sharper details and increase vibrance for richer colors. With these simple steps, you can elevate your photos dramatically, bringing them to life in a few taps. Try it out, and don't forget to share your enhanced photos. #PhotoshopMobile #Photo Enhancement.